My name is Larry Chasen, and I'm with Pak Programs. We have a program for winery insurance called Winery Pak. We insure vineyards across the United States and Canada. One of the lessons we learned adjusting claims from wildfires specifically was the importance of identifying all buildings and structures and infrastructures throughout the large properties that we insure.
My name is Justin Guerra. I work as a drone pilot for Pak Programs Insurance. I studied geographical information systems at the University of Vermont, and I have my Part 107 drone pilot's license. The typical drone inspection entails us going out onto a property, flying a lawnmower pattern across the entire area. The drone will take its camera, shoot top down, and with all of those stills, we can stitch them together in post-process and create an orthomosaic map of the entire property.
We capture GPS coordinates of buildings so we can put them precisely on a map, understand their location. We can analyze defensible space and topographic hazards. And we can point out buildings, structures, or infrastructure that may not have enough coverage or have no coverage at all, in the concept being we can discuss these things with insureds and brokers before the loss occurs.
Once back in the office, we can take that collected data, and from there it gets distributed to a couple different places. We can take all kinds of measurements. We can take square footages of structures. We can take acreages of vineyard. We also like to assess the terrain that the property is on. So we're talking topography. We could see aerial land features. And through this, we could really focus on wildfire mitigation.
We need to be able to share this data with insureds, with brokers, with the insurance company, and end up with a better product.
The drone processing software we use is very intuitive. It's very technologically advanced. The data is very comprehensive. On large-sized properties, infrastructure could be hard to find. It could be easily overlooked. So using drone technology, we're able to pinpoint exact infrastructure locations with greater accuracy, and whereas it would take hours on foot, it could take 20 minutes by drone survey.
It's very rare where we visit a property and we don't find building structures and infrastructure that we didn't know existed. So being able to capture this information and have conversations about coverage before a claim is very important. Insureds throughout all industries have a general opinion that everything's covered. From the insurance industry perspective, that's not the case. And we have to be diligent about identifying all of the exposures and addressing them to be sure that the coverage will respond as expected in the event of a loss. We're proactively auditing coverage before it's needed. I see drones becoming more prevalent in the industry. We're excited for the software that's being developed to analyze and utilize this data. We see that growing and evolving at a very fast pace, and we're excited for potential uses beyond what we could even imagine today. I think too often our competitors rely on information that they're provided, and unfortunately, all too often, it's inaccurate and incomplete. We pride ourselves in being experts in our industries, and we are committed to having the best product and providing the best service, and it starts with a thorough inspection of properties. I think we embrace the challenge, and we encourage our brokers and our customers to allow us on site so that we can see firsthand what the exposures are and do the best job that we can in covering those exposures.